Hello friends, this is Swati Martanda Chatur, working as Assistant Professor at Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, Nashik, and I am going to teach you the paper CHO 353, that is Protection Deprotection, Chiron Approach and Carbohydrates for MSc Second Organic Chemistry student. This course is for 4 credits which includes 48 lectures and 12 tutorials. Here the overall course structure for MSc second student for third semester. Here there are 5 papers in which these 3 papers are for theory paper, that is core compulsory theory paper. The first one is CHO 350, that is organic reaction mechanism and biogenesis for 4 credits. The second subject is core compulsory theory paper CHO 351, structure determination of organic compounds by spectroscopic methods. This is also for 4 credits. The third one is core compulsory theory paper CHO 352, stereochemistry and asymmetric synthesis. The fourth paper is choice based optional paper, that is CHO 353 theory. This is our paper, that is 353, which I am going to teach you. This is theory paper but it is choice based. Here we have 2 options. The first one is CHO 353A, protection and deprotection, Chiron approach and carbohydrate chemistry, or we can also choose designing organic synthesis and heterocyclic chemistry for 4 credits. And the fifth one is core compulsory practical paper, that is CHO 354 practical first, in which we have to study the solvent free organic synthesis. This is also for 4 credits. Here our course protection deprotection, Chiron approach and carbohydrates, this is section first. This is for 24 lectures and 6 tutorials. In this section we are going to study the first topic is protection and deprotection of functional groups in organic synthesis. We know in organic synthesis there are many functional groups and also there are the selectivity, therefore we need to protect the functional groups. In this topic, the whole study of this protection and deprotection, protecting groups, need of protection, chemoselectivity, this concept we are going to study. And also we are going to study in this topic, that is the solid phase synthesis of polypeptide and also the amino sugar. The next topic is Chiron approach. Here there are some molecules which we have to study the synthesis of these molecules for 12 lectures. The second section is carbohydrate chemistry. Here are some basics of carbohydrates, which includes the introduction of sugar, structure of monosaccharide, triose, tetrose, pentose, hexose, and also the D or L forms of aldoses and ketoses. Then cyclic hemiacetals, forms of monosaccharide, representation, also the conformations of monosaccharide, anomeric effect. These are some basic concepts which we have to study. The next topic, subtopic of this second section is synthesis of glycosides. This is the new topic for our syllabus. In this we are going to study the glycosyl donor acceptor concept, general methods for glycosyl bond formation, which includes the glycosyl halide, trichloroacetamides, glycals, glycal derivative, thioglycosides, phosphides, N-pentyl glycosides, etc. And also we are going to study the synthesis of some sugars in this topic. At the end of the course, student will know the chemoselectivity, reactivity of many functional groups and need of protection and deprotection, protecting groups, its stability, its reactions, then synthesis of peptides, then study of carbohydrate, also the solid phase synthesis of amino sugars, and they will also understand the concepts of chiral templates and chirons and the synthesis of the molecule S-propanediol, alanine, shikimic acid, R and S epichlorohydrin, pentamomycin, etc. They will also understand the basics of carbohydrates and structure, also the synthesis of carbohydrates. This is overall syllabus for MSc Second for the subject CHO 353.